Welcome back to Factful Finance, where we uncover powerful financial strategies to help you make smarter decisions with your money. Today, we're diving into a topic that's reshaping the future of business: AI for lead generation and sales automation. What if I told you that AI is not just some buzzword or futuristic concept? It's already a game changer in the world of sales and marketing. And what if I told you that by harnessing the power of AI, you could automate the entire process of generating leads, closing sales, and significantly boosting your revenue? Sounds like magic, doesn't it? But trust me, it's not. It's AI. Now let's be clear. This isn't just about adding some fancy tech to your business. We're talking about building a machine that constantly works for you. No lunch breaks, no sick days, no time off. Whether you're a small business owner, an entrepreneur, or a sales professional, AI can unlock huge growth opportunities in your revenue streams. Today, we'll break down how you can make money with AI through lead generation and sales automation. Let's get into it. The power of AI in lead generation and sales automation. First things first, what exactly does AI bring to the table in lead generation? In simple terms, AI is like a supercharged version of your sales team, but it never sleeps and can handle repetitive tasks with ease. Here's how. 1. Traditional lead scoring is often a guessing game, ranking prospects based on vague assumptions or gut feelings. With AI, lead scoring is based on data, not intuition. AI can analyze massive amounts of data, web browsing behavior, purchase patterns, social media activity, to predict which leads are most likely to convert. This means no more wasted time chasing unqualified leads. 2. Chatbots and conversational AI. Let's face it, customers want answers now. And if you're not responding in real time, they'll move on to the next option. Chatbots powered by AI can answer customer queries 24/7, qualifying leads instantly, and even scheduling meetings without human intervention. It's automation, but with a personal touch. 3. Predictive analytics. Predicting customer behavior isn't just for psychics. AI uses predictive analytics to anticipate what your potential clients might need next, creating a tailored experience that's more likely to lead to conversions. Imagine having the ability to predict what your customer will buy next and when, without making a single guess. That's the power of AI. Now, let's talk about sales automation. Sales professionals are often bogged down by tedious tasks, sending follow-up emails, updating CRM systems, and manually tracking customer activity. AI can automate these functions, freeing up time for high-level tasks that require a human touch, like strategy and relationship building. 1. Automating follow-ups. AI can craft personalized follow-up emails based on a prospect's previous interactions, making them feel like the conversation never stopped. Tools like AI-powered email sequences can determine the best time to reach out and the ideal content to share, driving higher open and response rates. 2. Sales pipeline management. AI integrates seamlessly with CRM systems, ensuring that no lead falls through the cracks. It can automatically update records, flagging leads that need attention, and identifying opportunities to close deals faster. If you're still manually tracking leads in a spreadsheet, you're leaving money on the table. 3. Dynamic pricing models. AI can optimize pricing strategies by analyzing market conditions, competitor pricing, and customer demand. It can adjust prices in real time, ensuring that you're maximizing your profit margins while remaining competitive. Think of AI as your own personal pricing strategist, constantly adjusting to the market's pulse. Real-world case studies. AI in action. Let me give you some concrete examples of how businesses are making money with AI in lead generation and sales automation. Take Henry, an entrepreneur who runs a digital marketing agency. He implemented an AI-powered lead generation system that used predictive analytics to identify high-value prospects. Within 6 months, Henry saw a 30% increase in qualified leads and a 20% bump in sales conversions, without hiring more salespeople. Then there's Olivia, who owns a small e-commerce business. She integrated an AI chatbot into her website, providing 24/7 customer support and generating leads even when she was asleep. The result? A 40% increase in sales, thanks to AI handling basic customer inquiries and guiding prospects through the buying process. These aren't just isolated incidents. AI is already being used by companies across industries to scale their lead generation and sales efforts. How you can make money with AI, a step-by-step guide. So you're probably thinking, this sounds great, but how do I actually get started with AI for my business? Let's break it down into actionable steps. 1. Step 1. Choose the right tools. Start by selecting AI tools that fit your business needs. If you're looking for lead generation, tools like HubSpot, Salesforce Einstein, or ActiveCampaign offer AI-driven features that can help automate your sales pipeline. For predictive analytics, check out Pardot or Marketo. 2. Step 2. Integrate AI with your CRM. Once you've selected your tools, integrate them with your existing CRM system. AI doesn't work in isolation. It needs data to process, and your CRM is where all that valuable customer information lives. Tools like Zapier can help sync your AI tools with your CRM automatically, streamlining the process. 3. Step 3. Train your AI. AI isn't a set-it-and-forget-it system. To get the best results, you'll need to train it with quality data. The more data you provide, the smarter the AI becomes. You'll want to feed it historical sales data, customer behavior insights, and lead information to help it make better predictions. 4. Step 4. Monitor and optimize. AI can deliver incredible results, but it still requires monitoring. Regularly assess its performance. How well is it scoring leads? Are the follow-up emails effective? Use the insights it provides to continually refine your approach and improve your ROI. AI for lead generation and sales automation, a game changer for your business. The future of sales is automation, and AI is the engine driving it forward. From generating leads with precision to automating the sales process, AI allows you to scale your business faster than ever before. But it's not just about tech for tech's sake. It's about creating systems that work harder for you while freeing up your time to focus on what truly matters: growing your business. Which part of AI for lead generation are you most excited to implement in your business? Let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear about your experiences. And if you found this video helpful, hit that like button and make sure to subscribe so you don't miss out on more actionable insights to level up your financial game. Remember, this content is for educational purposes only and not financial advice. Always consult a certified professional for personalized guidance. If you want to dive deeper into automating other aspects of your business, this next video will show you even more ways to leverage AI. Click on the video now to continue your journey to smarter financial decisions.